Welcome students on online class for 12th standard for the subject physics. Today we have learned about the chapter number 14, dual nature of radiation and matter. Today we have seen photoelectric effect. And experiment to study photoelectric effect. In this way, first of all, we have seen what is meant by photoelectric effect. Heinrich Hertz, the scientist Heinrich Hertz, discovered photoelectric emission in 1887 when he was working on the study of electromagnetic waves by sparking the charge. Sparking of charge. He observed that whenever light is incident on metal surface, we know metal surface consists of large number of atoms, small, tiny, minute atoms, in which at center nucleus is there. Surrounding the nucleus, electron is revolved in a circular orbit. What happens? In each atom, electron is present. So, when light energy is incident on the metal plate, these electrons, which can be revolved round the nucleus in a circular orbit, can lose its orbit, and so that these electrons can be free from the metal surface. Electrons is ejected or electrons is emitted from the metal surface. Means the phenomenon of emission of electron from metal surface, when light is incident on metal surface, such phenomenon is called as photoelectric effect, or such emission is called as photoelectric emission. Again, we can repeat: the phenomenon of emission of electron from the metal surface, when light energy is incident on metal surface, such phenomenon or such effect is called as photoelectric effect, or such phenomenon is called as photoelectric emission. Second thing is, the surface of metal is called as photosensitive surface. Means when light energy is incident on metal surface, what happens? On metal surface, electrons are ejected from the metal surface. Means on metal surface, when light is incident, electrons are ejected from the metal surface. Such metal surface is said to be photosensitive surface. Or the electrons which are emitted, means ejected electrons, are called photoelectrons. Why? Because we know that according to Planck's quantum theory, energy is radiated in the form of discrete packets. Means here light energy when incident, so light energy, it consists of packet. Each packet is called as quanta or photon, and so that when photon is incident on metal surface, so photon and electrons are collide and photoelectrons are emitted from the metal surface. So ejected electrons are called as photoelectrons. Means three definitions are seen. What is meant by photoelectric emission, what is meant by photosensitive surface, and what is meant by photoelectrons. In this photoelectric effect, see here, when ultraviolet light is incident on metal surface like zinc, cadmium, and magnesium. These metal surfaces are effective for incidence of ultraviolet light. But when visible light is incident on metal surface, then cesium, potassium, and sodium, these are effective metal surface or photosensitive metal surface. Means for ultraviolet light, these metal surfaces are effective, and for visible lights, these three photosensitive surfaces are very effective. Here in this photoelectric, means we can see the electricity from light. Whenever light is incident on metal surface, photoelectrons are ejected. So the current due to these photoelectrons, then we say that photoelectric current. Here we also say that photoemissive surface, and number 2, solar cell. Means in semiconductor, light energy can stored in a cell, that is solar cell. Means photoelectric effect is useful for the electricity, photoelectric emission, as well as solar cell in semiconductor. We want to study experiment for photoelectric effect. So here there is an arrangement of experiment that is said to be experimental arrangement. This experimental arrangement, it consists of evacuated quartz glass bulb having window or having opening called as quartz window, that is W, through which a source S, from this source light is incident on metal surface. Inside the quartz bulb, this is evacuated bulb or evacuated quartz bulb. Two electrodes are there. One electrode or one metal plate is said to be emitter, and another metal plate is said to be collector. See here, emitter is negative with respect to collector, means collector is taken as positive. Across these two electrodes, battery is connected through rheostat, which controls the current and potential in circuit through ammeter. Here that is rheostat, here battery, and ammeter is given. This is the experimental setup. So we can write the construction for experimental setup is, experimental setup consists of evacuated quartz bulb having an opening called as quartz window. These quartz bulb consist of two electrodes. One is named as emitter, another is metal surface is named as collector. Emitter can emit electron from metal surface, whereas collector can collect electron which are emitted from emitter. Across these two electrodes, a battery is connected through rheostat, and rheostat can control current as well as potential, or current and voltage between electrode, emitter and collector. The light from source, when incident on metal surface, when light is incident on emitter, what happen? Emitter is metal surface. It consists of large number of atoms. In each atom electron is present. Electron is revolved around the nucleus. So these electrons are ejected from the emitter, and the ejected electrons are attracted towards the collector. One thing is there, if this emitter is kept a negative potential, then electrons are emitted from emitter, whereas collector is kept positive potential, means emitter is like cathode which can emit the electron, and collector like as anode which can collect the electron. When key is closed, whenever key is closed, the emitted electrons are attracted towards the collector. This ammeter shows deflection, means current is flow in the circuit. As electrons move from emitter to collector, current, opposite current is flow in the circuit, that is current is flow from collector to emitter, and such current is called as photoelectric current. This photoelectric current may be very useful in various purposes, various things in technology. See here, if we can move in a hotel, there is automatic opening and closing of door. At this door, a photoelectric effect based on instrument or instrument which is based on photoelectric effect principle is there. Whenever light is incident on emitter, immediately electrons are emitted, they are attracted towards the collector, current is flow, door is open. When the person is go inside, then current reduces to zero, and here when current reduces to zero, door can be closed. Means experiment can be useful in technology. For study purpose or for self practice purpose, assignment is given. 5 questions are there. First is define photoelectric emission, define photosensitive metal surfaces, name metals which are useful when. First question is ultraviolet light is used. Second question is visible light is used. Means we can define photosensitive metal surfaces, then write the names of metal which are useful when ultraviolet light is used and when visible light is used. What is photoelectron? What is photoelectric effect? Describe an experiment to study the photoelectric effect.